Hi, I'm Jeff Galloway with Emergency Training Systems. Today we're continuing our barn fire safety training with the segment on inside barn fires. What we need to understand here is a little bit about fire safety in the stalls themselves. Inside a stall we have horse shavings, beddings, or hay. And this can create a fire and get to 300 degrees in less than 5 minutes. This stall here typically is 10 by 10 or 12 by 12s. The horses can die within 4 minutes. And in adjoining stalls, horses can die as quickly as 8 minutes. So what are some of the precautions that we can take to prevent this? First of all, we want to talk about cleaning measures. Cobwebs, dust, and all that needs to be kept to a minimum. We need to have a cleaning program and to clean this stuff periodically and keep it that way. A cleaner barn is a safer barn. Second of all, we want to make sure that we have a halter and lead rope at every stall door that has a horse. And something that we like to teach people in the industry is firefighters and emergency responders have these large bulky gloves, and it's almost impossible for them to use these clips. So what we like to do is teach everybody to have a D-ring on here. They can come in and on a halter do a quick snap with the D-ring and they've got it. Okay? Very quick and very simple. Next, we want to talk about the horse itself. You should, every 6 months, train your horses to exit out of any opening in your barn. That includes the large openings, your small doors, through an office, even through an apartment. So we're going to take this horse here and try and exit him out through a small door. Something I'd like to point out here at this horse stall is this is a slide back door. It is actually the best door for emergency responders to rescue a horse. But in this case, we have a latch here that's black and blends in, and it easily locks the stall and you cannot open it. So this is something you need to look at your stall doors and see how well they're latched, how well they're marked, and help out the emergency responder. If this was painted orange, it would be so much easier to see it, open it, and in we go. Okay, so here we go. We're going to get this gelding out of here, and we're going to teach it to go out a 3-0 small door exit. All right, come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. All right, we're going to take this horse here, and we're going to put this quick D-ring on him, snap him up, and we're going to exit him out of the barn and see how well he'll do coming out of a door other than the ones he's used to. And as I bring him out, I'm also looking to see that my aisles are not obstructed. I don't have debris. I don't have any kind of garbage cans or stuff that will prevent him from coming through here easily. Because remember, our large doors may be where the fire is, and we have to go out a second means of egress. So as I'm going, we're heading to this small door, and he now identifies that there's a small opening that he's going to have to be let out of. Okay, so we're just going to work him up here and get him ready to go out of a small opening. So as we exit outside this building, we have now trained this horse to come out a small opening. You need to train all your animals to do this periodically. This horse will become more comfortable exiting and entering out of a building other than the normal openings that he's used to. This is Jeff Galloway. For any further information, you can get us on emergencytrainingsystems.com. We will see you on the next segment, which will be if in case your barn does have a fire.